I'm in HELOTES, Texas, and talk about the boonies. My car, it's not even on, it's gravel road. This is an old country road here. It's interesting though. What can I say? It's interesting. I want to live in a place like this where I can have chickens and goats and possibly a cow. I know I sound weird, but I'm a city girl with a country heart. I want to collect my own eggs for breakfast. They're still building something up right here. Lord knows what that is. But yeah, I'm in HELOTES, Texas. And the weird